Welcome back to a new video friends. Today I'm going to tell about how can you on torch. Press the guys this power button guys, you can on torch in Redmi phone setting guys. Today I will tell you guys how to on this setting in Redmi 10 phone. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're in my channel and you are watching the video first time, so guys go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So now let's start video. First of all, open your phone setting, then guys come on additional setting. Guys click on gesture shortcuts. Guys click on turn on torch. So as you can see, double press the power button to on torch guys, then on guys. So as you can see, when I will press 2 times guys, so I think friends you have understood how to on torch double press the power button in Redmi 10 phone. So that's it guys, thank you for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel.